Hi, my name's Mike. I've been boating all my life, and at the age of 24 when I was put in this chair, I didn't want to keep that from taking my family out on the water, so let's go. We're here at my condo, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about how I access my boat with the accessibility options that we put on. We put a nice ramp on the front here that makes boarding super simple, and we got a wide gate here that you can get a power chair through in case, you know, once I get there, or my chair rolls through it real nice. And if we don't have a front boarding thing, we always have this wide gate here that opens up and can get any wheelchair through also. It's plenty wide for any wheelchair to get out. And then I can drive this boat myself, by myself. I come and we just pull right next to the driver's seat. We kind of turn the chair and I can lock my brakes and I can hop right over here, start my boat up, and I can go out and I can do fishing. I can go out and just take a cruise all by myself, and I don't have to have anybody here to help me dock or get on and off this boat. So now that we're out on my boat, I just wanted to tell you a little more about it and why we chose a Tritoon. We've been boating our whole lives, and I knew the Tritoon platform was going to be excellent for our family because you have the room, the space, and it gave us the accessibility needs that I needed. We checked a lot of other companies, and Bennington was the only one that would custom build this boat for me, from the furniture to the gates. So our front gate is actually a 40-inch gate that you can fit any power chair, any wheelchair through, even a hospital chair, those real wide ones. We will easily get through our front gate. So we've got a 10-foot wide boat here, and it's got 8.5-foot wide furniture in it, and that gave us this huge walkway in here that I can get my chair down it, up it, I can turn around in it, and in a lot of boats you just cannot do that. So here with this boat, we've got a lift system that can get me in and out of the water. I used to sit on a boat and just roast in the sun, and we've got this multi-lift, and Kelly's Port helped us put it on, and it's super simple to get in. There's a sling that goes under me that attaches to these 3 points, kind of like a Hoyer lift. If for those of you that have been in chairs and used a Hoyer lift, it's the same concept. And then we just have a remote that we can go up and down. And once it's all the way up, you can swing out, kinda. We'll let it go out there, and it goes out over the water, and then we just use the remote and we'll lower ourselves, and it lowers me all the way down into the water, and take a few little clips off the sides, and I'm free to swim as long as I would like. Thanks for coming along on the ride with us today. I just want to thank Kelly's Port in Bennington. You know, from the get-go, this materialized really quickly, and I was never told no by Bennington, and they built me a great boat that's very accessible.
Yeah, and thank you, Mike. We appreciate you, appreciate your business. Thank you very much for the ride. And like Mike said, if you have any desires for something customized like this, and what I love about it, it looks beautiful. I mean, you can't tell that there's been any customization to the boat. Give us a shout, guys. Bennington loves doing these projects. We love these projects, and we'd love to help you. Catch us here at the marina, 573-348-4700. And special thank you to Mike for your business, brother.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.